Hello everyone and welcome to my very first episode of Sustainable-ish Sundays. Sustainable-ish Sundays is all about simple changes, consistently making a big impact. It's about showing our children what we can do to make the world a better place and make my home cleaner. So today, in our very first episode, I am going to be tackling something that has been sitting in piles for a good 2 years. So I'm going to bring in Fergal and he's going to tell us about what we're going to do in episode 1 of Sustainable-ish Sundays.
Hello.
We'll change the camera angle because he's a bit taller than me. Okay, Fergal.
Yes, Angeline.
So, what's the problem?
Yeah, it's a bit of an embarrassing problem, really. It's holes in my crotch.
Right. And I think a lot of people have this problem.
Well, I don't know. It's probably not spoken about widely, you know. But literally, I'd say I have 4 pairs of chinos, 5 pairs of jeans. That is the same problem. Hole in the crotch there. Hole in the crotch.
What hole?
You see the holes? What are we going to do with them? Look. What should we do with them?
It's exactly the same in each pair of trousers that I have. Exact same spot. It doesn't matter whether it's whatever budget pair of jeans that I have on me now, or whether it's DKNY jeans. Designer.
They're DKNY.
DKNY.
Yeah, but this you with Tesco jeans.
These are Scotch and soda, 70 quid jeans.
Hole in the crotch.
Exact same place, hole in the crotch. So
Fergal has like an absolute mountain of jeans that he needs mended. I'm going to show you how to mend your jeans. So come along with me. If there's... Do you have more jeans, Fergal?
yeah.
Oh my goodness, I don't know. So we are literally going to take all of these jeans and we're going to repair them, because I would say we're probably sitting on hundreds of pounds of jeans. You would say easily. Some of them are designer, some of them are bargain buys. So and more. So let's fix them, let's mend them instead of buying new ones. Okay, so first of all you want to find your darning foot or your embroidery foot. It looks something like this. You also want to make sure your dog feed is disengaged by pushing the button at the side. Looking at different threads, it's important to choose the right thread that matches your trousers. Now you grab a piece of fusible interfacing and press it to the wrong side of the hole. I also attached some denim as a reinforcement fabric and pinned it to the wrong side. I then took it to the machine and thread it back and forth, back and forth. This is quite easy to do, but you just need to take your time and make sure that you're reinforcing it quite often. It is possible to use a normal foot, but just to make sure that your dog feed is disabled so that you can move back and forth. The embroidery and the darn foot definitely does the ticket. It is fabulous, but it can be done with a normal foot. As I say, depending on what colour your jeans are, make sure that you match the thread. You can also use a variation of threads to really blend into the colour of your jeans. So as you can see, I'm just moving back and forth, back and forth. Once you're finished, trim the reinforced fabric on the back, and hey presto, your jeans are fixed. Look at that beautiful scar. I think it's just fab. It tells a story about well-loved jeans, which I have looked after and not thrown out. Proud. That's it. That's how simple it is to mend a pair of jeans. There is a couple of options. You can hand sew your jeans, and I'll put a wee link in here to a video for hand sewing your jeans. So find them jeans in your cupboard, pull them out and get fixing. All I'm saying is one simple step at a time. And just before we go, I'm going to give you one kitchen hack that I have implemented over the last year and a half, I'd say, that helps me sort out all of my recycling rubbish. It's simple, but it's effective. And here it is. These little beauties we picked up in Ikea. They roll in and out. They are under our sink. I separate the rubbish by food rubbish, recycling, and then just general wastage. They just simply slide back in. You close the door. See you later. All hidden. Beautiful. Thank you very much for watching my first ever episode of Sustainable-ish Sundays. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do share if you liked the content, if you found it interesting, and also please subscribe because that really helps too, and you'll get wee reminders for when my next video is coming live. So every Sunday I'll be posting up a video as part of this mini series, and next week we're going to be looking more outside. Coming into spring, I want to see how we can make simple changes in our garden to just make the environment a better place for wildlife and also for our kids who are wild too. So yeah, see you next week and talk to you soon.